Let's look at the operating procedure for 900 liter and 1600 liter size units. First, please note the maximum capacity of the ingredients we can use in these units. For the 900 liter unit, we can use maximum 20 kg dung, 20 liter gomutra, 5 kg jaggery and 5 kg flour. For the 1600 liter unit, we can use maximum 40 kg dung, 40 liter gomutra, 8 kg jaggery and 8 kg flour. These are the maximum limits of the system and should not be exceeded. To begin using the slurry filter, first start filling water using the primary water connection. This water should have minimum 2 kg pressure. It should take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to fill the complete system. If it is taking longer than 15 minutes to fill the system, kindly increase the pressure. Without the correct pressure, the slurry filter will not function properly. After starting the water, peep inside the filter from the opening on the top to check the water level. Wait till the level reaches 25%. Meanwhile, keep the ingredients ready. Mix the dung in water as shown here. Similarly, mix gram flour and jaggery in water. Once there is 25% water in the unit, we will start adding these ingredients. While adding the ingredients, primary water connection needs to be kept on. As we add all the ingredients to the unit, water level will also rise. Fill the unit till this ring. Now we can use the given stirrer to mix the preparation. Stir this liquid couple of times a day. After waiting for 5 days, Jeevamrit is now ready. On the day of extraction, do not stir the liquid at all. Just open the output valve in the front and start receiving the filtered Jeevamrit. It will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes to receive the first batch. Post receiving the first batch, close the output valve. Now use the primary water connection and top up the unit with fresh water. Post filling the water, we have to let the unit settle down for minimum 2 hours. Do not stir or any more ingredients during this time. After 2 hours, we shall open the output valve once again and extract the second batch of Jeevamrit. After the second extraction, we will fill the unit with fresh water again. Third batch of Jeevamrit can be extracted after wait of another 2 hours. Few important things to remember. Fill water using the primary water connection only. Do not fill any water from the opening on the top. Water connection needs to have 2 kg pressure. Filtration will not function if there is inadequate water pressure. Input ingredients should be used in the prescribed quantities. Do not exceed the recommended levels. On the day of extraction, do not disturb or stir the liquid. There needs to be minimum 12 hours of settling period.